If you walk outside right now and look up at a clear blue sky, your eyes are telling you a massive lie. The sky above your head isn't actually blue at all. It has no physical color. In fact, based on the laws of physics, the sky should actually look bright violet, but you are living inside a massive optical illusion of our own making. For thousands of years, humans assumed the air above us simply had a blue tint, like looking through a pane of colored glass. But it shouldn't be, as space is completely black, and the air around you is perfectly clear. The secret behind the sky's fake color is a wild game of cosmic pinball played between pure sunlight, Earth's air, and the biological wiring inside your own brain. Let's start with the source, the sun. To our eyes, sunlight looks white or yellowish. But white light isn't a single color. It is a crowded mix of every single color in the rainbow blended together. Each color travels through space as a wave. Red light travels in long, lazy, slow-moving waves. Blue and violet light travel in incredibly short, fast, choppy waves. Think of these light waves like objects of different sizes trying to pass through a sieve or a sifter. When this giant mix of sunlight hits Earth, it slams into our atmosphere. The atmosphere is packed with billions of tiny gas molecules, mostly nitrogen and oxygen. When the long, red and yellow waves hit these tiny gas molecules, they don't even care. They are too big. They pass right through without stopping, traveling straight to the ground. But the short, choppy blue and violet waves are exactly the right size to crash head-on into the gas molecules. When a blue light wave hits a molecule, it bounces off it in a random direction. Then it hits another one and another one, bouncing all over the place. This chaotic bouncing is called Rayleigh scattering. Essentially, the blue light gets trapped in a massive game of pinball, splashing across the entire sky until the whole atmosphere glows blue. But wait, this introduces a major mathematical problem. Remember, violet light waves are even shorter and choppier than blue waves. That means violet light scatters and bounces around the sky way more than blue does. The sun actually pumps out a massive amount of violet light into our atmosphere. If we follow the laws of physics perfectly, the sky above us shouldn't look blue at all. It should look like a brilliant, glowing shade of lavender or violet. So why don't we see it? Why isn't the sky purple? Because the physics of the sky is only half the story. The rest of the mystery takes place inside your own eyes. The back of the human eye acts like a digital camera sensor. It is lined with millions of tiny light receptors called cones. We only have 3 types of color cones, one for red, one for green, and one for blue. That is it. Every single color you have ever seen in your life is just your brain mixing these 3 signals together. When we look at the sky, the blue receptors fire at maximum power because of all the scattered blue light. But what about the violet light? Violet sits right on the edge of what our eyes can detect. When violet light hits your eye, it triggers the blue cone, but it also slightly triggers the red cone. If our eyes only saw violet, the sky would look purple. But because there is both blue light and violet light bouncing around together, your eye receptors get overloaded. Your brain takes the massive amount of blue, mixes it with the violet, and adds in a little bit of green light. It blends them all together like a smoothie, and out pops a clean, calm sky blue. If you were an animal with different eye receptors, or a honeybee that can see ultraviolet light, the sky would look completely different to you. The blue sky is a private, human experience. It is a color profile generated entirely by your brain to simplify the chaos of solar physics. So next time you look up on a sunny day, remember, you aren't looking at a blue sky. You are looking at a purple universe through a human lens.